Hi, my name is Ann Dumbrill, and this is how I made $331,650 trading stocks. DIM stocks, now to learn how to invest and earn up to 10K weekly. So I started off the morning eyeing this BBY trade. The stock is Bed Bath & Beyond. And the reason I chose it was because it had high volume the past week. And so I knew at this 10.6 level was a key level that it would consolidate around. And so the morning, about 30 minutes in, it had some volume come in, a high volume come in. And I knew once it broke 10.6, it would go to 11.15 came, which was the next level of resistance. And if it had broken 11.15, the next level after that was 11.45. And so when it broke 10.6, I had 5,000 shares, and it broke 11.15 as well. And then it ran to 11.45, so it hit all the key points and I started scaling out between those. Your 9 to 5 will not save you in this economic crisis. Invest now and boost your sources of income.